Hey guys, how you guys doing? Good morning and welcome to this video. We're back in this video and look at me, this feels like my hair, I've got fantastic bushy hair. So I just used to think wash my bushy hair and this made me cool, fantastic as well. And so yeah, did you enjoy last night? Or especially you do know, especially you don't if you don't know what happened. Lewis and Demi left the villa, just been dumped by Maya Gemma just because of as well. As well, we've got Chris and Arabella, and got new boy, got the return of them. UK prepares for the busiest storm season. The storm. This is so. It says Storm Jocelyn. I don't even know. It's pronounced her name. What pronounced her name is a storm. Busiest storm in the UK coming up. So continuing on, we've got return, the return comma, Taylor with we got Chris and Arabella, and Taylor and Kaz. Yeah, it's like I can't believe it. I can't believe what's going on. So FBI, you're under arrest.
Symptoms heard. Women know their bodies very intimately. They know their energies.
The gender pain gap.
Oh. Some really intelligent comics there, and it's called this pain gap, and it really
pain gap,
thing, isn't it?
It is. It is. What it refers to is this unconscious bias that women feel and get, when they go and see a healthcare professional, and their painful or medical conditions are discounted or not taken as seriously.
He's a GP
as men,
in the Khan
because of their gender.
About gender pain gap. Wow.
As the fairest sex, or having lower pain thresholds, or being called dramatic or manic, all of these things that are misogynistic and applied to women and not to men. And all of that is resulting in women's painful medical conditions either being
women's people. Yes. Okay.
Or not getting the right treatment, so they're suffering for longer. And it's important to say that women are actually more at risk of painful medical conditions as well. Not only do they have a more complex
pain gap, that's what we call it. That's what we call it. What you would call it. Thanks.
But because they carry two X chromosomes, certain conditions are more common in them, and because of estrogen, the way it affects the immune system,
immune system,
women's risk of autoimmune conditions like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis and thyroid disease, all of which can be painful. And the other thing to add into this, Lorraine, is
very painful that much, too much. So
it's particularly bad for women from historically marginalised groups, the black and brown women, because it's deeply rooted, it's historically racist, and going back to slavery, where so-called scientists did inhumane experiments on black women and said things like, well, they have thicker skin, or they have a less sensitive immune system or a nervous system.
Yeah. I was just asleep.
For a wide range of stuff. Look at that heart. I just love that.
Yeah.
So
nice to do the heart bracelet. To use a necklace. Just like using a necklace all about. You about something at tonight.
That's definitely the one we're going for.
We're going to have a bet then. So I'm going to go for Heart's the bestseller.
No, I'll stick with the bangles. I do
Sticking
love.
with bangles?
If I was to buy one thing today, I really love that bangle.
Okay, so all of those are
I'm
coming
a bangle girl. I love bangles.
Were you ever in the Bangles?
No.
A little bit of bangles. Bangles.
It could have been.
Feels a bit against tangled. Yeah. What's on tipping point?
Drop 10 for it is.
Busy drop.
Flat for that.
Got it down finally. Something going over the top shelf? Yeah. It's good, nice.
Is that the question mark?
Ooh, just one drop.
Just one drop. Just one drop of the roll.
They gave me a sedative, Lorraine. They gave me a sedative. I gave birth and I had quite a lot of complications. My husband resuscitated me because someone wouldn't listen to my pain.
Because I was just going to say, is it not, do we as women have to take responsibility?
Ooh, yeah.
you and me.
Chin rubby, and yeah, have a bit of rum. Yum, the bottle of rum. Feels like good as a bottle of gin.
Dad, if you have nothing to do, why don't you go down to the senior center?
No, not as long as George Barksdale.
They shouldn't suffer as a result of it. And there's certain pains that women complain.
See, I've been dreaming of it for a long time as well. So in a way, I'm doing both of my dreams. I'm very proud of him.
God, that's incredible.
It's good to see him do well as well.
With Orion currently on trial with Southampton,
Ryan.
he's got a lot to prove.
Coming in as a trialist,
Hensey and Marley, get ready for the German rivals. You know, Bayern Munich is from the, what's it called, who just coming from the Spurs team, which is, former Spurs team, which is Harry Kane and Eric Dyer.
Guidance of the Southampton coaches for 8 weeks while they decide whether to offer him a contract.
The Germans are coming.
I only have a few weeks left.
This is not a 40 Towers bit. This is the Football Academy.
Honestly, impress my teammates because I wouldn't be.
This is Heinze. It's Heinze or Marley.
It's an amazing opportunity.
It could be Heinze. I don't know.
The academy to just be something.
The Academy. Let the Academy begin. Yeah. About to do his wife. Out to be told.
Make me want to stay at Southampton.
Southampton. Wow.
There's going to be a lot of camera, a lot of media. And as a player, you need to get used to it.
Yes.
I don't have to ignore all of that. And I need to make sure I get that.
Good morning, Mr. Easy.
Good morning.
How are you?
Yes.
How was your night?
Yes, really good.
Oh, okay. How was the film?
Yes, really nice.
Oh, okay. Right. There is going to be fire alarm text, so don't panic. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Don't panic. This is the text. Right. Mom said she gave you £10 for me.
I got £10. Wait, £10.
Okay, don't worry. Just come back later on.
Alright then, we'll do that. Alright, film test. I might wear my earphones. I might do somewhere here because where is it? Remote. Come on. Hurry up. That's a good one.
We've known each other for 4 years, and we became best friends when we started at under 11s.
Where's the remote anyway?
My name is Marley. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Southampton FC. I love
Jesus.
it.
This is like a remote, isn't? Wait. Oh, it's there. From the by the thingy. But that's really cool. Finally got your shot. Oh, it's a chair. That'll be a comfy on my armchair. Here we are. It's about to do the final test. We'll see you next one. If you do, might let it go. Take care. Goodbye.